Hey fam, you'll never guess what arrived in the mail for me today. All the way out here in Port Augusta. It's something for this giant dining table that I just bought. And if you haven't watched my Japan video, I suggest you do, because this is this is a sushi train, and this kit comes with everything that you need to assemble the sushi train for yourselves at home. It comes with the front of the train that's going to pull it along with the motor. It comes with 8 sets of tracks to do like an oval for like this oval table, and it also comes with the plates that sit on the back of the train. So none of the instructions are in English. I think it requires some AA batteries, which I'm hoping I have, but stay tuned as I open this up and assemble it on this table. Maybe not for sushi, but some other kind of appetizers. Now, I know that this table is quite large. At the moment, this table has the extender in the middle and it sits 8 altogether. So this doesn't look very big, which is why I ordered 2. So there's one more in here. So now I have 2. So the idea that I had was that I would join the middle bits of the tracks of this one with this and have double the plates to go around the whole table. So let's see.
All aboard!
Okay, so it's all set up. Have a look. You just push this little button here and away it goes. I must say I'm really glad that I got 2 sets, so it's big enough to go all the way around. The only thing is, it's teeny tiny. Leave a comment below to suggest what you think I should put on these teeny tiny plates on my sushi train. Well, see you in the next video when I have a party.